The best thing about my job is that every day is different. Feeling like I've made a difference, that's really important. I've helped so many children succeed in their journeys onto successful futures, and that fills me with great pride. I'm always learning, I'm always growing myself. Inspiring others is very, very rewarding. I love that schools have such a positive climate for innovation. And I would say the biggest thing that I love is the buzz of the classroom. You know, there is nothing like standing back and watching a child, watching the cogs turn as they deepen their thinking, listening to the discussion between two pupils as they problem solve together. I love listening to debates and, you know, watching them articulate arguments with evidence, again, in history, because that's my subject. And there's not a feeling like that. There is nothing like watching a child grow, develop their confidence, flourish, and succeed right before your eye.